How to look at old Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can look at old Google Maps on Google Maps. If you want to view older versions of Google Maps, you can try using Google's Street View feature, which sometimes allows you to view historical imagery. Here's how you can access it. Open Google Maps in your web browser. At the search bar, type google.com/maps, then press enter to browse it. Once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now on this page, find the location you are interested in by searching for it or navigating it manually. Once you are in the desired location, drag the pigman icon found at the lower right corner of the screen onto the map. This will activate Street View. In Street View, once you reach to this page, at the top left you will find the name of the person and the date of the photo published on Google Maps. At the bottom you will find See More Date. Click on this option and below you will find different images captured at various points in time. Please know that not all locations have historical Street View and the validity of older images depends on Google's data collection in that area. So in this way you can look at old Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.